Well, good morning, everyone. I'm Larry, and you're watching St. Nick's Farms on YouTube. And we got a really heavy rain last night, and I'm trying to give you just a little bit of an update on the building project. And as you can see from behind me here, and I did a drone shot previously on this video, and you can see from behind me here we've got several of the poles already up. It's really difficult to get the work done and try to do your regular job at the same time, but we've been able to get several of the poles in the ground, and I had one of the holes drilled last night, and that's what I'm going to be working on today, is getting the poles in these holes. But I'll show you in just a minute that these holes filled up. But thank you for joining us here on the channel this morning. I really do appreciate it. If you like the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And on this rainy Saturday morning, let's get started. This is one of the holes that we had dug, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but down in here I had quite a bit of the side of the hole to actually go down into it and fill up the bottom of it. So I'm going to have to clean that out this morning and get that kind of back in shape so that I can get the hole, get the pole, that is, in the ground. And then this one over here that we had dug, it didn't do quite as bad. There is some down in it, but again, it's not quite as bad as that one over there. So we got to get these cleaned out and get the poles set and ready to put the concrete. And we're working on just a little bit of a time constraint as far as the weather is concerned, because there is rain in the area and we're expecting more rain today. But as you can see from looking around, we do have quite a few of the poles up. There'll be 24 in all when we get it finished, and I think we like, let's see, we like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we like 8 more poles, having all of them in place. So let's try to get 2 more in place and up today. So that's where we are. Let's try to get this taken care of before the rain sets in this morning. Get the post hole diggers and see if we can't dress this hole up a little bit. Get some of this mud out. Quite a bit came in. I think that got that other one okay. Let's see if we can get this one. This one caved in pretty good too. Maybe. And it's been a little difficult also as far as getting things off the post hole diggers. This old clay is really sticky. I thought this wouldn't be as bad over here with as much gravel, but it is it is being difficult also. It's going to take more concrete in these holes too, since they've caved off on the inside some. I've been putting all these about that 28-inch mark, so I think we should be good there. It's really gooey and muddy out here this morning. It is a really messy day today. These rain showers are coming in about every 20 minutes or so. There's no lightning or thunder associated with them, but it's just these little showers that are coming in and making it really messy to be working in. Try not to dislodge any more dirt than I have to or will in setting these posts. A little bit came down, but not much. Certainly not as stable in this wet dirt as they would be in the dry soil, dry dirt. When I get these bottom braces on, that keeps the pole from moving in all directions. I'll have to say that working in the wet mud really makes things a lot more difficult. You're just a lot more unsure of your footing, and things don't move as well. Checking my plumb, everything looks good. All right, let's just check the plumb one more time. Everything still looks good, so now just to get the concrete. But as you can see, we're working in some gooey mud and just not good working conditions. Well, it was a rainy day. Showers every 15-20 minutes this morning, and then a long rain delay at lunch. Had a big rain at lunch, but was able to get 2 more poles up on the building project. And you can see behind me we've got a lot of poles up. There'll be 24 total whenever this is finished. And just to give you an idea of the way it'll be laid out, the middle portion here will be the highest part. It'll actually be 2 floors in the middle, and then the sides will be they'll be almost like lean-tos, but not really, and I'll get more into that as the project progresses. But after we came back from lunch, that hole over there had quite a bit of water in it, so I actually poured a bag of cement, Quikrete in it, dry to begin with, and then I poured the mixed concrete in there on top of that. So hopefully that turns out okay. We'll see. This side over here that was more rocky, it didn't hold any water, and it was okay. Again, the wet conditions just made it a lot more uncomfortable and a lot more difficult to work in, difficult working situation, and it's not as easy to work whenever it's as wet as it was today. But anyway, was able to accomplish a little bit. Thank you for joining us here on St. Nick's Farms. I really do appreciate it. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Hope to see you the next time. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Until next time, folks, this is Larry for Jenny Inside. Bye-bye, everybody. Take care.